Today's Daily Idea is brought to you by dailyhub.com.
Hi, I'm Nikki Key, and you're watching the Daily Idea. You've probably been hearing about the subprime mortgage crisis in the news lately. If that doesn't mean anything to you, but you're up on who's winning the K-Fed and Britney custody battle, then you might want to spend less time on Extra and more time on CNN. The subprime mortgage crisis is the latest example of America's credit problem. Many Americans aren't good with their money, and they're even worse with others. We could all use a good old extra dose of common sense when it comes to managing our credit. So we here at the Daily Idea decided to make a couple of calls to America's leading financial experts to get a few pointers on establishing good credit. None of those calls were returned, so we put together a list of our own. Here are a few things you should know about using credit wisely and improving your score. The first thing you need to know is your credit score. You're entitled to a free annual credit report, and you can get it at annualcreditreport.com. This score will tell you how ashamed you should be of your spending habits. The report tells a bank or lender how you've handled credit historically. They use credit scores to figure out how many times you tried to stiff Columbia House for all those free CDs. They can start as low as 300 and get up to 850. The average credit score in the U.S. is 723. Anything less than 620, and you've got a lot of work to do. Less than 700, and you still have some work, but you're on the right track. Make sure all the items on your report are accurate. Credit histories aren't always 100% correct, so you may need to contact the credit bureaus to dispute some of the information. The first thing you can do to improve your score is pay all your bills on time. This seems like a no-brainer, but if that were the case, a lot of bankruptcy attorneys would be out of work and creditors wouldn't exist. You have to pay your bills by their due date, especially your mortgage. Your mortgage payment history is the first and most important indicator of your credit worthiness. Next, keep 1 to 2 credit cards that you routinely use. Pay them off completely, or at least pay the minimum balance on time. This is an important indicator of your ability to manage credit. This tells a lender they don't have to keep the dog on speed dial to come find you hiding out in a swamp after your account is 120 days past due. Finally, it's important to pay off any outstanding derogatory items on your credit report. Things like old credit cards with minimal balances, student loans, and any monthly bills. The key is to pay off and close as many accounts as possible, leaving only your most important credit outlets open. In most cases, you need to actually call to close your account. Remember to request a confirmation letter verifying your account has been closed. Once you start to apply these tips, you'll see the biggest impact when you go to purchase big ticket items. Maybe it's a home or a boat. Maybe it's rims for your new Hummer. Whatever the case, the higher your credit score, the lower your interest rate. And of course, the lower your interest rate, the less you'll pay. If your credit is exceptionally bad, you may need to seek out a reputable credit counselor to help create an action plan for getting you out of debt and getting your credit score where it should be. And that's another Daily Idea.
Are you looking for the newest and best business content on the web? dailyhub.com covers topics ranging from marketing and finance to sales and strategy. Are you looking for an edge in business? Visit dailyhub.com today.
Thanks for watching this Daily Idea. Now don't just sit there, you need to get involved. You can get each Daily Idea in your inbox, RSS reader, and iTunes. And you seem nice, so friend us on MySpace or Facebook. Just pick your favorite and we'll save you some time. Finally, we've had some great ideas come from viewers just like you. So keep them coming by submitting them through our website at www.dailyidea.tv. Thanks again for watching.